Hello, my name is Geraldine Arisa Carvajal. I want to tell you about one of the seven wonders of the world, Chinese Beijin. It is the hybrid city with almost 2 million inhabitants in an area of more than 2,000 square kilometers. It is one of the largest cities in the world. It is also a flat city and perfectly square, with chaotic traffic and underdeveloped public transport. It is crossed by an impeded axis from north to south, along with the main monuments are lined and shaped by Chinese Avenue, which is more than 40 kilometers in length. It crosses the city from east to west, passing north of Tiananmen Square and south the Forbidden City. Bye. Thank you.